So, got quite a bit done last night. I just need to get, let's see, we gotta get the exhaust manifold off the one side, get the heads off, pull the wiring harness out, and that's pretty much as far as we're gonna go today. And then tomorrow we'll get the transmission out, get the motor out, put it on a stand. And then we gotta bring this car to the other shop and bring the GTA over here and start mocking everything up. But anyway, let's get this stuff done. Oh, this is gonna be fun to get these wires out. These are the stock ones. Actually, might as well get all of this out. Oh my God. All right, whatever. I thought that just popped off. I don't know why. Yeah, might as well get the valve covers off first, I guess. No, thought I would try. Okay. Not so worried about getting dirt down inside the motor as I am just, you know, we're going to take everything apart, so it really doesn't make a difference. Just can't even get on the bolts. I can't even see them. Oh my God, are you serious? Might as well start taking the rest of the stuff off the motor. There's really not a lot left that I can do, so I only want to take it down so far. It's so filthy. I think what we'll do is just pull the wiring harness out, take the lifters out. That's really it. That's really all we can do with this one right now. All right, hold on. That motor mount was broke. Or transmission mount. You see how high that lifted out of it? It broke right out of it, yeah.
Oh my God, no wonder the guy didn't want the car.
Oh, dude, the stuff we found, it's been bad.
There you go.
It's a little broke. I have actually, I think I left a pick in. Now I have, well, yeah, I mean, you can use that one. I left one in my car a while ago. While we're thinking about it and the car's actually on the ground, I was just gonna grab it, but. Oh my God, where did it go? For real? Can't find anything. We'll just do it the hard way, why not? I got a flathead one too, somewhere. This is what happens, man. You leave and I can't. How'd you get the other one out?
It was easy.
Shit just disappears around here. It takes 5 minutes, doesn't it?
I lied.
Right? I know, dude. Maybe, you know, here, yeah, don't do that.
Don't. Yeah. It's my favorite pastime.
Jesus Christ, man.
Fucking Christ. Can't even
Let me try.
Sorry.
That's why you got hats.
Well, I wasn't given a F-body garage hat.
There's one in the car. Yeah.
For you, actually.
All right, let me see here. Let me trade you. Let me get that. Let me get your cutter. Oh my God, for real? I don't know, man. That's all I'm saying. It disappeared. Yeah, watch out. Shit's strong.
It builds character. Thanks for the heads up.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You got it?
Yeah, it's over there somewhere.
We don't need it.
No, it's broke anyway. Perfect, dude. It's getting in both sides. It's like I planned that out very well.
Oh yeah. Would you say this is like the most destroyed Trans Am you've ever worked on?
Not Trans Am, the most destroyed 4th gen. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. It's just greasy and dirty and like it's like no gasket or seal has ever been changed on the thing. I hated it when we bought it. I was like, this is gonna be so much work. This thing is so nasty. You know, this was a really good idea. Should be on the side that we're pulling out probably too. Is this not steel? Is the body a little, like what the f? I don't understand.
Oh.
Good. Damn, that was good, man. See, he's got the reflexes from working here.
I knew it was about to happen.
I know I got every bolt. Like, yeah. Is it really? I'm telling you, nothing has ever been done on this thing. Oh, they covered that. I'm not used to that being there. There's a sight hole up there, and this one has it too. It's just stuff you just don't see anymore. It's like nothing's ever been. Whenever people take transmissions out, like it's rare that they put the covers back on. Not those anyway. And it's not going to go back on, I can tell you that. Really need to invest in a pry bar. That's that bolt we were trying to grab. All right, here, let's just do this. Let's make it very angry. Are you serious? All right, so let's let it hang a little bit and then whack it. A little bit. Do not do this. This is not the way you do this. You can crack the pan, crack the bell housing. We just happen to be replacing all of this, so I don't give a shit right now. No, it's... that's hilarious.
Ooh.
There it goes.
Oh, there it is.
Out of my shop. Oh my God, really? Why didn't I take this out? All right, we're going this way. Still? Get out. It happens. Jesus Christ, are you serious? Like, what the f are you connected to? Oh my God.
How is it lit? Torque converter, flywheel.
Oh my God. This is what happens when you get in a hurry. I'm so worried about getting this back to the shop so the mechanics can make me money.
Probably should have.
Yeah, it would have helped if I would have disconnected the torque converter.
For those of you that would like to know, there's a window so that you can loosen the torque converter bolts. We did not do that.
I don't even know if it'll come out.
It's not. It's hitting the firewall
Yeah.
up top.
No, I can't lower it enough because
It'll rip everything else.
input shaft is stuck inside
Yeah, so,
the converter.
torque converters, here we go. Torque.
Oh my God. Chevy transmission, so it has the bolt right on top. Here, let's do this. Maybe I can turn, well, let's put it back in. I mean, it's gonna be, I can't put it back in, but I can put it like close enough that this isn't dangling on it, that we can spin it. I don't think we can spin it like that. Unless we just gotta take pressure off of it, I guess. We can take it off from there. I know, dude, this is, this feels like double ringing an oil filter or something. Like, this is the most novice mistake you can make with a transmission, especially when this is what you do all day long. In case you do this now we'll show you what to do. Again, why I should not have a YouTube channel. This is literally like, this was my whole point.
Are you able to get it out like that?
Yeah, sure. It's actually going to come out on the other side where the starter goes, but I was just trying to see what size it is. It's either 14 or 15. All right, grab me a 10 millimeter on the gun. The little gun, the little, yeah. 10, no. On the, open that drawer. The top one. The one that the light's shining on. Jesus Christ. No, the above one.
Oh.
Yeah, that one. Put a 10 on that. That guy. Now you got it dirty. Never gonna see you again. You can have your bolt too. There you go.
Thank you.
All right, so now we gotta turn the flywheel. There you are. Ah.
You got a breaker?
No, you don't need to now. There's no resistance against the pistons anymore, so it will move pretty freely. All right, so now what we gotta do is turn this until we can access the bolt through here. Shit is still smacking me in the face. It's awesome. Where's the light? Can you grab the, yeah, turn that on. It is Torx, right? It's not a, oh no, it's not Tex. Okay, so, oh my God, and these are all new, so they don't want to come out. Can I create more work for myself? Actually, you gotta spin these out when they first are new, don't you? Where's the tools? Really? Okay. Sure. Denied. So now, okay. Why General Motors in their infinite wisdom changed to Torx bits and hex and like, dude, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna be turning it this way, so you gotta keep it from going that way.
Yeah.
So you gotta be pulling on it, not pushing on it.
No, I'm trying.
Yeah. There you go.
There it is.
All right. Turn it up a little bit, like up this way. Ah, yeah!
Oh,
little bit. Jesus.
You want me to come back now?
Yeah, tiny bit. Ah! There you go. Sort of. It's not out yet.
One.
Yeah. All right. Spin. Come on, you can do it, man. You got. There it is. Oh wait, did I go? That went the wrong way. All right, come up a little bit right there. Spin it. Oh, come up a little bit higher. Yeah, that should be good. I think that's it, but go ahead and spin it. Yeah,
Yep.
That's all. Okay. Okay, now, before I die, yeah, we'll just put you in here. Now incurs the new problem of this shit's not actually on the transmission. So I need you to go back and hold the transmission, because when this comes off, it's gonna wanna fall and I have to push it on the input shaft. There we go. Okay, sweet. All right, so now should be able to lower it down. Oh, kick that out. Take it off! Dude, what the f? Do I not? Let's pull this thing out of the way and drop it. Oh. All right, hold on. I don't know, hook the air back up to it. No hat. We gotta give him a hat. Where's his hat?
Correct.
Dude.
Go back up. Like, give it some air. All right, now come down.
Oh my God. Okay. Watch your head so you don't die.
I have life insurance.
You're gonna need it. Piece of cake. All right, grab the front of that thing, big burly man. Put it on the ground. Get the young guy to pick up the heavy part. That's the trick. All right, you do that. That's hard.
Is that what they always do?
Oh yeah, no, that's it.
Turn it off.
Yeah, we'll drop this off. We'll come back here, take the motor out. Actually, we'll drop this off and then go get lunch and then come back here,
And then
take the motor out.
not gonna fight it to do it. All right, good.
Yeah, there it is. Oh my God, dude. We gotta try to break those, or not break them, knock them loose. May have to pull it forward a little bit. Nah, we're good. Okay, maybe not. Try lifting it a little bit. If not, we may need to lower it a little bit. Oh no, that's tight. Yeah, hold on. Let me drop it down a little bit. All right, see if the other side will pop out. Can you watch this? Just like pull the motor this way. Yeah.
Kind of lost faith in the hook there.
You know, worst comes to worst, we just get another motor. All right, so go ahead and angle it this way. Yeah, like that. Well, don't hold the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Don't, just hold the top in case it falls. Yeah, I wasn't kidding about getting out of the way.
Oh, yeah, go up, because that hook's getting ready to pop out. All right, you're good.
All right. So instead of pulling that, pull that leg out this way. The leg towards you, yeah.
I was just getting a nice distance away.
Yep. Keep going. Now we should be good. Watch the bolts are kind of here.
Oh,
Let me grab these just so they don't fall out. Okay. Okay. Hercules. Well, yeah, you can go ahead and do that. But what we're gonna do is pull this out.
yeah. Stick it on there.
Yeah, so go ahead and pull this out of the way. Woo, don't do that. So, yeah.
That.
Watch your foot. We can actually, well, we can do that too. That's fine. All right, here. Yeah, you're good. Okay. But yeah, so the next thing we gotta do is take all the trash and throw it in the trunk of this thing. Trash. So we got to clean it out of that, and then we got to resurface the deck for new heads, which is like Jacob's favorite thing on the planet.
Hate it.